was afraid to come out of the locker. She wasn't nervous as she could be. She was afraid to come out of the locker. She was afraid that somebody would say
2, 3, 4, tell the people what you want.
Going out tonight only makes me realize when we're older we'll call these days the good times. Soon we'll face the world and leave everything behind. I know I overthink my future could be heavenly, but I'm afraid of all the possibilities. Wish there was a way to see how it will turn out to be.